here we go. We're going to do some elements, molecules, and compounds. A little bit of a review. Okay. We're working with 4 different elements. We should know these. We have H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, Na for sodium, Cl for chlorine. Okay. Write your symbols that represent these elements here. Okay. Use your periodic table. Take those up. So we already know a few. Oxygen is O. Look up mercury, sulfur, gold. Make sure your second letter is lowercase. Okay. So for example, gold, A-U, lowercase. Draw a atom of oxygen. Okay. You guys can use these colors up here, or you can change them. If you don't want to use blue, cross it out. Show me what colors you're using. A atom of oxygen. I'm going to stick with blue. Right there. There's my blue oxygen atom. All right, number 7. Draw a diatomic molecule of oxygen. Di stands for 2, just like bi. So di, anytime we see that, we have 2. Diatomic, we now have a molecule, okay, or a compound. These are going to be connected together. So we have blue, blue, okay, represented as O2. 2's on the bottom. We have 2 oxygens, okay. 8. Draw a molecule of sodium chloride, okay. Because we're drawing a molecule, they are connected together. Okay, same thing, use your correct colors. So whatever you put up top, sodium they want in green, chlorine they want in yellow. If you want to use something else, just show me what you're working with. I'm going to cross this out, my chlorine I'm going to make orange, sodium I'm going to stick with as green. Okay, so draw a molecule of sodium chloride. Green, orange. There is my sodium chloride. Draw 2 molecules of sodium chloride. Draw 2 there. Okay? And they have to be attached. All right? Onto the back. Draw 1 molecule of the compound H2O. Okay? So now we're using the word compound because we have 2 different elements. Okay? Hydrogen. So our oxygen we had was blue, and there's only 1 of them. So we have a oxygen. Hydrogen. Whatever you want to use, I'm going to do mine in red. 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 Okay? Draw 2 molecules of water. You're drawing 2 here. Number 12, draw a heterogeneous mixture of the compound water and sodium chloride. Okay? In order for this to be heterogeneous, it cannot be the same throughout. We want to draw lots of waters, lots of sodium chloride, but we have to make sure that they're not evenly mixed. Hetero stands for 2. Okay? So the opposite of that is number 13, where it says draw a homogeneous mixture. If we're drawing homogeneous, we want them evenly spaced out throughout. Okay, so you're going to use your correct colors. They're going to have the exact same compounds. But for example, we put all of our water molecules on one side and all of our salt molecules on the other side. That would make it not evenly mixed. Okay. Explain the relationship between a molecule and a compound. How are they alike and how are they different? You have to have 2 full sentences here. Explain the difference between a compound, a heterogeneous mixture, and a homogeneous mixture. Same thing. I need 2 sentences here. Explain what a compound is, and then explain the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous. 2 sentences for number 15 as well. Okay. This is going to go on to the next page of your notebooks. Take a look at the notebook list online. Fill that in.